How to fix Hades 2 controller gamepad not working. Fix 1. Change Steam Big Picture mode. Here are the steps to change the Big Picture mode in Steam. 1. Launch Steam from the desktop shortcut. 2. Click View on the top left corner and select Big Picture mode. 3. Click on Library. Click on Games under Browse and select Hades. 4. Click on Manage Games with the gear icon under your game. 5. From Steam Input, select Controller Options. 6. Click on the downward pointing arrow to expand the options for Chong the Steam Input per game settings, select Forced On and hit OK. Relaunch the game after Steam restart and the controller not working in Hades should be resolved. If the problem persists, try the next fix. Fix 2. Change Steam General Controller Settings. Depending on the controller you are using, whether the Xbox controller or the DualShock, you need to set the device on Steam. This can be done via the controller settings options. Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Launch Steam from the desktop shortcut. 2. Click Steam on the top left corner and select Settings. 3. From the Setting menu, go to Controller. 4. Click on General Controller Settings. 5. Depending on the type of controller you wish to use, you can check PlayStation Configuration Support, Xbox Configuration Support, or the generic Gamepad Configuration Support. 6. Press OK to save changes, exit from the window and start the Hades. The above two fixes are very effective in resolving the Hades controller not working on PC problem.